Hello students, welcome to online classes of Samstar Global School. I am Fizza Akhtar and today I am going to share with you all something very important yet an interesting one. There are some commonly used words which we either pronounce wrong or we don't know their pronunciation. So I am going to share this video with you. Please see it very properly. Because we are talking about pronunciations only, so the first word which you should know is pronunciation only. The correct pronunciation is pronunciation. It's not pronunciation or anything else. It's pronunciation. So our next word is engineer. Engineer. It's not engineer or anything else, but it's engineer. Okay? Next word is debris. It's debris. Debris is the waste or the remains that are left after demolition. So it's debris. It's not debris. It's debris. Next is jalapenos. This is very interesting. J is written there, but it is not pronounced as jalapeno, but it's jalapeno. Jalapeno. Jalapenos are basically very hot green chili peppers and they are basically used in Mexican style cooking. So the word is jalapeno. It's not jalapeno or anything else, it's jalapeno. Next word is data. Many people pronounce it as data, but I think that's wrong. So the correct pronunciation is data. Simple, data. Next is yolk. The spelling is Y-O-L-K, but L is silent, and apart from L, the sound of H is coming, which is yolk. Yolk. Next word is also very interesting. I was also pronouncing it wrong, but the correct pronunciation is dengue. It's not dengue, it's dengue. Please remember, dengue. Next is boutique. It's not boutique or anything else, it's boutique. See, the pronunciations are written down. Boutique. And please don't get confused with the spellings. The correct spelling of the word is written on the top. What is written below is the pronunciation, which we are bifurcating and showing it to you. So that's the pronunciation, that is not the correct spelling. Spelling is written on the top. So it's boutique. Okay? Moving ahead. The next word is almond. It's the nut that we eat. So it's almond. It's not almond or anything else. It's almond. Say it again. Almond. Next is meme. Very important word and used very commonly. It's meme. It's not meme or anything else. It's meme. I hope you know the meaning of memes. Memes are your text or messages or images and videos that are used in humorous nature. Sometimes the memes of famous celebrities and politicians, they come out basically on the social media. So that is your meme. Got this? Okay, so the next word is also important. That is your Del Monte. It's a very famous, food production company. It's a North American company, Del Monte. They basically produce your canned fruits and vegetables, sauces, and ice creams also. So that is it's not Del Monte, it's Del Monte. Next is your colleague. Colleague. It's not colleague or college or anything else. It's colleague. Colleague are the people or the staff members that work together. So that's colleague. Moving ahead. Next is your thumb. B is silent, or you can say it is pronounced very slightly. Thumb. We don't say thumb, but it's thumb. Thumb. Thumbs up. Next word is tour. Tour. T-O-U-R is pronounced as tour. It's not tour. This is the school trip and the tours one. Tour. Got this, everybody? Please listen and understand it. Tour. Next word. Divorce. It's not divorce. It's divorce. Simple. Divorce. Okay? Moving ahead. Next is raspberry. R-A-S-P. That part is pronounced as ras. Raspberry. Z sound is coming out. Raspberry. That's a berry. It's a fruit. Next word is your cash. C-A-C-H-E. That word is pronounced as cash. It's not cache or cache or anything else. It's cash. Simple. Fine. I hope you know the meaning. This is the collection of items that is basically stored in the hidden place. It is also found in the memory of the phone. Cache memory is there. Next is very common word, women. This is the plural form of woman. W-O-M-E-N is the plural form, but it's pronounced as women. Next is February. It's a month. Everybody knows this. February. Pronunciation is February. Spelling is written on the top. Don't get confused. Next, a common word, iron. Iron. The pronunciation is written on the right hand side. Iron, we don't say it, but we say it iron. Iron items are there, or iron is also a mineral. Next is your receipt. It's not a receipt, it's receipt. Pronunciation is written on the right hand side, but the correct spelling is on the top. Receipt. Next word is salon. It's not saloon, it's salon. Salon. Got this, everybody? Moving ahead. Next word. Very common word. We see this on daily basis. N-I-K-E is pronounced as Nike. It's an American company which basically produces your sports items or accessories. So it's Nike. It produces footwears also. Nike. Got this? Don't say it Nike or anything else. It's Nike. Next is a very common place and a common word, but you don't know the pronunciation. It's restaurant. It's not restaurant. It's restaurant. Restaurant. Simple. Restaurant. Where are you going? I'm going to a restaurant. Okay? Next is again an important word, which is your suite. It's a hotel room, but we have to pronounce it as suite. Spelling is S-U-I-T-E, but the pronunciation is suite. Please remember, suite. Next, very, very, very important and a common word, B-O-W-L. It's pronounced as bowl. Please don't you ever say it as bowl. That is very pathetic. It's bowl. We see this item 10 times every day, but we don't know the pronunciation. So the correct one is bowl. Simple. B-O-L, bowl. A food item we like to eat normally, but the pronunciation is pizza. Z is given a slight T term, that is pizza. Okay? Pizza. Pizza. Okay, next is fork. F-O-R-K. Sometimes you say it wrong and you say it fork or anything else, but it's fork. R is pronounced slightly. The letter R is not given so much of emphasis, but it is pronounced very slightly, that is fork. Next is again a common word. When we go to a restaurant, we see the menu. It's not menu or anything else, it's menu. M-E-N-U, but the pronunciation is menu. Y is pronounced here. Menu. Got this? Next is Wednesday. D is silent. It is not pronounced as Wednesday, but it's Wednesday. Z sound is again coming. Wednesday. Moving ahead, next word is resume. It's resume. Spelling is RESUME, but it is pronounced as resume. Moving ahead, next word is often. This word is often pronounced wrong. T is silent, so it is pronounced as often. It's not often, it's often. Next word, again a common word, it's balloon. It's not balloon or balloon, but it's balloon. Simple, balloon. Next word is develop. We develop this habit of doing something. So it's develop. It's not develop, it's develop. Got this, everybody? Develop. So I'm ending it here, and I hope that you will develop a habit of pronouncing the words correctly. If you don't know the pronunciation, please Google it, ask your teachers, take reference from anywhere, but don't pronounce wrong. I'll see you soon, everybody. Till then, keep studying, keep revising, keep pronouncing well, because practice makes you perfect. Take care of yourself and your family. I'll see you soon. Thank you.